Well, we're finally getting a warm up, and it's 40-some degrees. So I'm trying to clean out the sheep pasture a little bit because this time of year it just gets so nasty from all winter long. Them going in it and then it freezing. But when it warms up, then you see how nasty it really is. So trying to actually get the fence open because I haven't been able to open the fence for a while because of all the ice. Trying to get it dug out here.
Why don't you go put on your rubber boots so you don't ruin your rubber boots?
We're getting the sheep shed cleaned out right now. So we're using the sleds and shoveling out the manure. We've been layering it with sawdust, but now with the melt it's pretty nasty, so getting it cleaned out. You can even see the heat coming off of it right now.
Okay, close the gate.
How's it going? Whoa, hey, Gage. You leave her alone.
Come on, guys.
Gage, come. What I got to fix this morning is my tailgate latch. My latch broke with the ice the other day. Another thing that gets cold and breaks. Gonna get that replaced. Starting to warm up a little bit. So in the greenhouse, we're gonna uncover our rosemary. We cover it all winter and we insulate it because it doesn't live in our zone. It doesn't live in 5B. It likes 7 or above. And so we insulate it so that it doesn't freeze and all die in the wintertime. So it's warm enough now in the hoop house. We're going to go ahead and get it uncovered. I haven't opened up my lines to my hoop house yet because I don't want them to freeze. So right now I just got to give the rosemary a little bit of water to make it through the next couple weeks. We're going to fill up these water buckets and bring them down there. Super efficient, I know, but hey, it works for a little bit. I don't want my lines to freeze. I don't want to open up my lines and run my water down there and have it freeze because we got these warm-ups that happen in March and then they just plummet again. So I don't open up my lines down to the hoop house until April 1st. So I got some compost, organic compost from Costco. Melissa got it. This we get every year and we put it on some of our raised beds because it's not that expensive. It's like on sale for $8 a bag. And so throw it in the car and bring it home. Costco's about an hour from us, so I'm gonna take these compost bags down to the greenhouse. Problem with this time of year is there's snow and there's not snow. And right here there's not snow. There's a sled. Lost the bag. And there goes my sled. So we have this serious problem with the chickens getting into our flower beds, so we gotta clip their wings. Otherwise Melissa's gonna have a fit. We need to get the roosters out of here. In the face!
I mean, we could just leave them here.
You take 1 or 2 chickens and they will destroy your beds. Like well, those other 2 I'm going to try to get back in here. Right between your legs. Okay. Oh, hey, can you open the? Oh wait. Let's leave that door open.
Yeah,
Those other two are over there. Well, we got all the chicken wings clipped, and they're roaming around, as you guys can see. It's nice to watch them roam around their yard. However, the next day, Melissa texts me while I'm at work at the hospital, and she goes, so we have 11 chickens out. We have like 22. We have 11 chickens out. They're still getting out. So it didn't exactly work. It held some of them in, but didn't help them all. But as you can see, a lot of our fence is kind of busted down. We've climbed over it. Kids have climbed over it. So we got to get this fence better here. If we do that, we'll be able to get them to stay in, at least the majority of them. And that's all what we're looking for. But look at these chickens, man. They're so happy to be in the sun outside. Man, what a beautiful day. It's so nice for spring to finally be here. We'll see you guys next week. Don't work too hard out there. See you guys.